What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another review. This time we're going to be looking at the Kiwi portable battery base for the Google Home Mini. Let's check it out. So right out of the box, this is actually what you get. This is a 7800 milliamp hour portable battery base for the Google Home Mini. It comes in 3 different colors. You can get the slate gray or the charcoal gray. You can get the sandy white or the light sand color, the light color, and you can get this coral color as well. It matches up with all 3 Google Home devices. Now, if you notice on the inside, let's do a little bit of real estate. This is your charging adapter for your battery. Now, Kiwi recommends that you use the original charging cable that came with the Google Home to charge this device. There are some LED lights down here. They're very fine. We're going to see those when we actually plug it up. You get a handy strap on the side so you can carry this. You get a power button back here. Get your charging input right here. I'm going to press this so you can see 4 LEDs right across the front. Do it again. Okay, that just lets you know that you got full power. Now, as I mentioned, 7800 milliamp hour battery. You're going to get about 12 hours of working time, about 16 hours of standby time with this, which is an amazing time. You're going to be able to take your Google Home Mini and basically put it anywhere in your house without having it plugged into the wall. So let's do a quick demonstration of how this is going to work. Right now I have it plugged in, has its power supply. Hey Google, what's the weather?
Currently in McDonough, it's 87 and partly cloudy. Tonight, it's predicted to be 77 and mostly cloudy.
Okay, so we know it's working. Let's go ahead and disconnect it. Now, while I have it disconnected, I'm going to show you guys actually how to put it in and take it out. So it's going to just plug into the back of here. So you're going to take this cable, plug that cable in, and you're going to sit it back down in there. Okay, now you may be wondering, how am I going to get this thing out? Well, in order to get it out, this is just silicone. So you're gonna just pull this back and pop that out just like that, and then disconnect it. So, but right now we want it plugged in. I actually have this fully charged, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. In order to turn it on, you have to hold this power button down for longer than 3 seconds though. So we're gonna do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Those 4 lights indicate that our Google Home Mini is coming on, and it is finding our Wi-Fi service. Now, when you plug this up, your light is gonna blink automatically. Even if it's full, one light will blink while it's plugged up. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it. All right, that lets us know that we have power and we have connectivity to our wireless network. Let's try it out. Hey Google, what's the weather like?
Right now in McDonough, it's 86 and partly cloudy. The forecast tonight is 77 and mostly cloudy.
So like I said, guys, here it is. It is working. We actually have it going. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 indicators letting us know battery is all the way full. You got 7800 milliamp hour battery. You got 12 hours of working time, 16 hours on the standby. Great little device from the company Kiwi. I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check this out. But this has been a review of the Kiwi portable home battery base for the Google Home Mini. I am enjoying this. I'm able to take this everywhere in my house, just sit it down, got music, got updates, got everything that I need right at my side at any time. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.